Welcome back to another exciting episode of the House of Chop. I have a quick one for you guys today because I need to take a little detour from the project I had planned to deal with an emergent need, a frustration, if you will. It involves this and a certain petulant exercise bike. So let's head down to the basement and I'll show you the dragon that needs slaying. Lately, it seems like all these projects begin and end in the HOC dungeon. Hold on. Plug that fan. Sound check. There we go. All right, let me flip the camera around. I'll show you guys my problem. Here is my Rogue Echo bike, and I believe those two screws right there were meant for a cup holder. The problem? Not a single cup holder would ever be able to accommodate the sheer manliness of my drinking vessel. So let's head back out to the shop and whip one up. With everything laid out, we get to the moment of truth. Will the Bailey mag brake bend the 1/8 inch? I've had a few people tell me how I can bend heavier material with this. Bailey says maximum on this is 16 gauge, so let's keep our fingers crossed and see how this goes. Now, the thinking here to bend the heavier stuff is lining this up with equal stuff on each side. We want to build the brake up to the level of our material that we want to bend. Let's see how this shakes. Appears to have done the job well. I'm impressed. Well, we've reached the portion of the program where I should really have a slip roller. If you're squeamish, this is the time to turn away from the screen. Not the pretty way to do it, but made it happen. We're getting to that part that I love the most, where I get to melt some steel with electricity. Always my favorite. Check out what we got here on the bench. That is our final configuration. Time to weld it up. Aha! The welding is over, and what we're left with is a manly sized cup holder. Let me flip the camera around and show you guys. All right, so here we have my canteen. Boom, goes in there, and life is good. Look at that. Oh man, that turned out pretty all right. But I need your help. You gotta help me finish. We gotta put something on it. So what's it gonna be, guys? Should I paint it or clear coat it? Clear coat or paint at the pole? Let me know. Help chop out. What do exercise bikes and metal fabrication have in common? Me. Next time I'm going rogue down here, I won't be picking this up off the floor. Got a cup holder right where I need it. That's convenient, that's a life improvement, and that is a wrap of this video. So, hit the comment section, let me know what you thought, and while you're down there, check out the description. I left links to the tools I use and all sorts of other goodies down there for you guys. And what did we learn on this video? The most important thing is that when you watch my stories on Instagram and you answer the polls, you may affect the outcome of a project. And that's kind of like a modern choose your own adventure book. I think it's worth a visit. Go check it out, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.
That's beautiful, Chop.